Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then go ahead, girl, make yourself comfortable because you family now. And if you haven't already, go ahead and make sure you hit the like button as well as that subscribe button so you can check me out every time I do post. So today we're gonna be talking about this unit that I have on right here right now. I'm gonna let y'all see how I styled this unit as well as how it comes. Coming straight out the pack, this unit only has 2 clips and no clips on the side, and it's only just on the inner part of the hair. It also has an adjustable strap on the back, and it has lace all around. Also on the part there's lace. honestly, I really love this unit. I think I bought this unit before, but I really liked it a lot, so much that I straightened it. I didn't include the baby hairs, but this unit does include pre-plucked baby hairs. This is one of those cute throw on bobs, and I could literally see me styling this wig in so many different ways, especially like this, just to give it like a cute little, something, you know. Sensational showed out on this one, and I'm honestly interested in buying more Butta Lace wig units, just to like, I'm like low-key ready to buy all of them if this is what they're gonna be looking like. Yes, this is cute. It's the behind the ear for me. Okay, that completes this look. Let me know in the comments, have you ever tried sensational wigs before? I'm really liking this series of the Butta Lace units. These are like giving everything, and it's super effortlessly, super easy, beginner friendly. I am the most beginner person still, okay, and this was easy for me. I'm gonna have this unit in the description bar below. I'm just gonna link it to every line or wig types, one of those places that I normally buy mine from. Y'all could get it cheaper than what I got it for. So that completes this video. If you haven't already, make sure you like this video as well as subscribe. Until next time, deuces.